Removing a credit card from your Amazon account is straightforward, whether you're using a desktop computer or the mobile app. Amazon has made this process even more user-friendly in 2025. As of August 2025, Amazon has streamlined the payment management process with an intuitive interface, enhanced security measures, and faster navigation paths across both desktop and mobile platforms. Amazon has implemented enhanced security measures, including two-factor authentication requirements, automatic fraud protection alerts, and an improved verification process to keep your payment information safe. Before removing a credit card, keep in mind these important limitations. You cannot remove cards linked to active orders or subscriptions, and you must set an alternative default payment method before removing your current default card. This guide will walk you through both methods. First, we'll cover the desktop browser method using your computer. Then we'll show you how to do it using the Amazon mobile app. Both processes are quick and secure. Let's start with the desktop method, which many users find most convenient when managing multiple payment methods. Let's walk through the exact steps to remove a credit card from your Amazon account, starting with the desktop method. Click on your Payments or Payment Options from your account dashboard. This will take you to your saved payment methods. Click the Delete button next to the card you want to remove. Amazon will ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental deletions. Now let's cover the mobile method. The process is similar but uses the Amazon mobile app interface. Navigate to your account and then select your payments from the menu options. Once in the Payments section, find the credit card you want to remove and tap Delete or Remove. Then confirm your choice. For enhanced security, Amazon may require two-factor authentication when modifying payment methods, especially on accounts with this feature enabled. If you encounter issues removing a card, check these common problems: active subscriptions using the card, pending orders, or needing to set a new default payment method first. For optimal security, regularly audit your saved payment methods, remove expired or unused cards immediately, and always verify your account activity after making changes.